I'm gonna make my really simple recipe. It's a Filipino recipe called chicken bihon with sardines. This is in the last minute thought. I don't really think I'm gonna do a video tonight for cooking, but when I started to cut the chicken, I was thinking I'm gonna go ahead and do a video. Why not? I'm already cutting the chicken breast. So I'm gonna show you my simple recipe. Here it is. I get the onion and the garlic already. I already heat up in the oil. This is like 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 bulb of garlic, and 1 head of onion. And I have this bihon right here, but I already soak it in the water for like 10 minutes already. See, you can see it's already soft. This is hard, that's why we have to soak it in the water. And I have sardines. I'm gonna use this. It's a Filipino sardines in tomato sauce. And I'm gonna use chicken noodles flavor. And I have 1 kilo of chicken breast right here.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Watch this, everyone.
And then we're gonna use vinegar, soy sauce, and some black pepper, ground black pepper, and some salt. So now that the garlic and the onion has been cooking for 3 minutes and it's already, see, you can see it's already caramelized. So I'm gonna put the chicken in. So here we go. I'm gonna turn this up high. And there we go. Mix it together. And we're gonna cook this chicken for like 6 minutes. So I'm gonna put some vinegar in it and soy sauce. Here's the vinegar. So just put like maybe 3 tablespoons. You can put more if you like vinegar. If you like vinegar, we like vinegar, so I have to put a little bit extra. Especially John, I like vinegar. And I'm gonna put just 2 tablespoons 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'm gonna put the ground black pepper. Just like 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. John like this. There you go. You can put more extra if you like. And I'm gonna throw this too. The sardines. It's gonna be tastier. There we go. So mix it together.
What's your temperature at?
High. And this is my own recipe too. I wanna try. We'll see how it turns.
Sardines and chicken? We'll see.
With bacon in it, so we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm sure if you put rice with it, it'll be just fine.
Yeah.
Actually, those noodles are really nice, so.
So we're gonna cook this chicken for like 6 minutes or until it cooks.
Actually, it looks good already.
It's gonna be good. Let's go check Bryson right now. He's really behaving. Oh, hello, baby. Can you say hi, everybody?
Hi.
Hi.
Look at that cute chubby face.
There we go. He just woke up, so he's a little crankier.
And he's so cute.
But he is really good boy. He's really behaving. That's Bryson. What did you do today in your schoolwork? Can you show us?
Yeah.
Bria did this some writing right here. She read it first and then she write it after.
So there.
At the back too. She did some math. She answered it very good. And sentences, she read it first and then she write it below. And this one is reading. She read this one. So more practice, Bria. You do good. Keep going. And I'm gonna mix it. Looks good.
Oh, it smells
See
good.
that?
Even with the sardines, it smells good.
There's a lot of garlic in there.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
I'm gonna put the noodles pretty soon. So I'm making this good dinner tonight because John is going to Cebu tomorrow in his dentist appointment tomorrow at 1 p.m. So he's gonna leave like 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and he'll be coming home also in the airplane at I think 6 p.m. at night the same day. So he's gonna be tired, but his teeth gonna be looks good. So let's go add the noodles.
That was quick.
Oh yeah, look at the chicken.
That's a quick dish.
Here we go. And you can see this sauce is gonna be,
Oh, yeah, that'd be
the
good.
noodles gonna be,
We'll go with
take
the
all the
noodles.
sauce in.
Yeah.
Let's go cook until the noodles is soft. You can tell when the noodles is cooked. You can taste it. Okay, let's go check the chicken noodles. I'm gonna mix it first. That looks good, huh?
Very good.
Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle a little salt. This is kosher salt, but you can use any kind of salt. And keep tasting it because you don't want to be salty. You don't want your food to be salty. You mix it together. Okay.
And they call that a nice, very, very good, simple, easy recipe.
Yeah. This is very simple Filipino recipe, so everybody knows how to make this. Very easy. Yeah, I'm gonna taste it. Let's see how it tastes. It's hot. It's really good. Here, I'll give you a small one. Blow first.
Mmm.
Yummy, huh?
That's nice. Very nice. Thank you. That's a nice, quick menu item for cooking ideas.
I'm gonna stir it up. I'm standing on the chair, so my pink chair.
Very good. There's your pink chair.
All right, that's all for tonight. So we're gonna have our dinner. So see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.
Bye. What if he spits out?
Are you okay?